And a lot of you may be going out the door this morning. I know you said you did. I did as well. You get the check tire pressure light popping up.
You solved a mystery for me.
You know, it's this time of year we get the big fluctuation in temperatures. It gets cool overnight and warm in the afternoon. So cool air contracts.
Sure.
So the molecules don't bump off the sides of the tires fast enough.
And that's why my light was
deflate
on.
a little bit. Yeah.
Science class with Tim.
There you go.
I just got this car done. What is that light
By
on?
the afternoon, guys, it'll warm up, so the tire pressure will go right back up. So it just fluctuates overnight and during the afternoon, so not a big worry there. You don't need to take it to the mechanic or anything like that. Dome of Delight rains overhead today. High pressure in place. That's going to bring another really nice seasonable day for us. But we do gradually warm up by the week's end. Temperatures go up into the 80s thanks to our winds out of the south, but no widespread rain in here, at least through the first half of the weekend. By Sunday night into Monday, that may change. We're going to be watching a front that's going to be heading in from the north and west and maybe even pick up some tropical moisture with it by early next week. 45 this morning in Chesapeake at the regional airport there. 49 in Nansemond over to Western Branch. 48 now in Longview. Princess Anne at 51. But look at Cape Henry. Right along the water there. Always going to find the warmest reading. 66 right now. 62 in downtown Newport News, but Newport News itself, 49, 53 Williamsburg, 48 in Lightfoot. Along the eastern shore, 47 Melfa, but 55 in Wachapreague, 53 Hudgens, 50 in Gloucester, Achilles at 51. In northeastern North Carolina, there we go, Elizabeth City at 57, but 45 in Core Peak and 48 in Gatesville this morning, 55 in Edenton. There's that area of high pressure really right on top of us today, but eventually it slides east and offshore. Once that happens, the winds kick in a little bit more out of the south. We're not talking a heat wave, but it'll certainly be a little bit warmer than what we've been used to the past few days. 70s today and tomorrow. Then we're up into the low 80s come Thursday, and we stay there, even getting into the mid 80s possibly by Saturday and on into Sunday, and even in early next week as well. Here's how it looks on FUTURECAST. Starting off cool, but it's going to be a very similar day to what we had yesterday. Winds out of the northeast, a few afternoon clouds, temperatures in the low 70s. And then for tomorrow, we do start to bring in a few clouds in the afternoon. This particular model wants to even hint at a shower, maybe a 10% chance of that. Otherwise, I think most of us are dry, and we're going to see sunny skies with temperatures in the mid-70s by that point. And then we start the warming trend on into the day on Thursday. 72 in Norfolk today, 75 Suffolk over to Smithfield, 73 Chesapeake, 76 Williamsburg, 72 in Matthews, 71 Melfa to Cape Charles. And we slide south into northeastern North Carolina, 76 in Gatesville, 75 in Elizabeth City, and 72 Manio over to KDH. Tonight down to 60, not as cool as this morning. I think most of us will be in the 50s, maybe a few isolated 40s. Patchy fog is likely with winds out of the east at 5 to 10. And there's your 7-day forecast today and tomorrow, very similar, and then we warm things up a bit. Well above average from Thursday right into early next week with rain possible by Sunday into Monday.